Hey, Ben from IPinfo here, and I'm really excited to announce our new mapping tool. You can paste IP addresses into the text box here, hit the map button, and we'll show those IPs on a world map for you straight away. Just one IP address here, but you can paste in up to 500,000. Here's abuse IP DB. Just copy that whole page. It's recently abusive IP addresses. You can paste them into the tool. We'll strip out all the IPs, so we'll rip out any of the other text. Hit map, and then you get to see those results directly on a map. And you can zoom in to countries, see where they are. Click on a country on the side here, and we'll zoom specific to that country. We'll show you the different counts of IPs in different places. And then you can share this URL with other people. You also call it from the command line. So if you want to grep some logs and paste all those IPs, just kill them into us, and we'll return them with a URL where you can quickly and easily see that map. Hope you found the tool useful. Interested to see what sort of maps we put together.